digital marketing strategist, website developer, SEO expert, graphic designer, business consultant, founder, Facols Lighting and Accessories. This headline is keyword-rich and ranks well on LinkedIn search. About Chimer, summary section, professional and investor ready. I am a results-driven digital marketing and business solutions specialist with strong expertise in website development, SEO, graphic design, digital marketing, transcription, virtual assistants, and professional document writing. I help businesses and professionals build strong online presence, increase visibility, attract customers, and grow revenue through data-driven digital strategies and clean, conversion-focused design. In addition to my service portfolio, I am the founder of Facols Lighting and Accessories, a growing business specializing in chandeliers, pendant lights, moonlights and ceiling lights, wall brackets, electrical accessories, and installations. I am currently seeking serious investors and strategic partners within Kenya to scale Facols Lighting and Accessories into a leading lighting and electrical brand across the region. Core strengths: website development, SEO, and online visibility, digital marketing and branding, graphic design and brochure design, resume and cover, letter writing, business consulting, virtual assistants and transcription, checkmark MC and corporate hosting based in Kenya, open to partnerships, contracts, and investment discussions.